Hi everyone, today we are in League City touring this new build home. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an office space, and a beautiful lake view in the back. Let's go take a look. Right whenever we walk inside of this home, we are greeted with our entryway. And to the left, we have our office space. Large window here that looks out into your front yard. This space could be used for your office, a workout studio, playroom. And right this way, we have our garage access. First half bath. And here is our laundry room. Cool thing about this laundry room is it does connect to your primary closet. We'll come back and look at that in a minute. All right. Here we have a coat closet. Lots of storage there. And this is our living room. You have 6 beautiful windows here that let in lots of natural light into your living room. And on the left-hand side, we have our dining area. And here is the kitchen. This kitchen does have a stainless steel sink, your dishwasher, your drawers, and there's your pantry. Here is where your refrigerator would go. You do have gas stove. Lots of storage space in these cabinets with them being so tall. And all of your drawers are big like that. And here is our dining area. We have a beautiful view of your backyard and the lake. Alright, we're gonna go look at the primary bedroom and then we'll go out into the backyard. One more view of everything from this angle. Alright, right here we have a linen closet. Lots of storage space here, it goes all the way up. Here's our primary bedroom. Here we have our double vanity with an area for a seat. Storage in there. Here's our shower, white tiling all the way up. And here is the water closet. It's tall enough back there where you can add some storage if you need to. This brings us to the primary closet. There's so much storage in this closet. You have all of this rack space on this side, as well as on this side, little cubbies for more linens, shoes, bags, whatever you may need. And again, we come this way, and here is your laundry room. And that brings you right out to the front. All right, let's go take a look outside before we go upstairs. Beautiful covered patio here. Lots of backyard space. Really nice walking trails out there. You might be able to hear the birds. There are your windows. There's enough room out here for some furniture, maybe grill, perfect for summer. All right, let's go take a look upstairs now. All right, once you get upstairs, you have your spacious game room. And here is a full bathroom, white tiling, vanity area. Here we have a linen closet. Lots of space up at the top. And here's a bedroom. Beautiful view from this window. Super spacious in here. Enough room for a queen bed, dresser, nightstands. The closet goes all the way back. Another great view from this bedroom window. In this closet here, you have racks on either side. Here is another full bathroom to be shared between these two bedrooms. Another linen closet. You have lots of storage in this house. And here's our final bedroom. And you have a view of your front yard from here. Tons of storage in this closet, look at all that. Lots of rack space, and on this side, we have shelving. All right, that's going to conclude our home tour. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know what you think.